Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Do you have a favorite animal? What do you like about it? Today, I'm going to share my favorite animals and why I like them. Welcome, my friends, to a journey through the animal kingdom. A journey filled with fur, feathers, and an abundance of joy. We're going to explore the world of cats, dogs, and birds, each one unique and special in its own way. Cats, with their soft fur and playful nature, are known to bring comfort and companionship to their owners. Dogs, on the other hand, are famously loyal and protective, always ready to safeguard their owners with unwavering devotion. And let's not forget birds, with their colorful plumage and melodious songs, they add a vibrant touch to our lives. So, if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, buckle up. We're about to delve into the fascinating characteristics that make these creatures my favorites. Stay tuned as we dive into the wonderful world of my favorite animals. First on my list of favorite animals are cats. Cats have a special place in my heart, and I believe they can find a way into yours too. They are known for their soft fur, playful nature, and their unique sense of independence. Cats are a joy to be around. Their fur is so soft and comforting, it's like a built-in stress relief. You can feel your worries melt away as you stroke their fluffy coat. And when they curl up next to you, their purring can be the most soothing sound, like a gentle lullaby that can ease your mind and make you feel at peace. But cats are not just soft and cuddly, they are also playful. They have this charming habit of turning the most ordinary objects into exciting toys. A simple ball of yarn, a crumpled piece of paper, or even a random spot of light can keep them entertained for hours. Their playful antics can bring a smile to your face, even after a long, tiring day. One of the best aspects of cats is their independence. Cats are self-sufficient creatures. They can take care of themselves and they respect your space. You don't need to constantly watch over them, but when they want your attention, they know how to ask for it in the most adorable ways. There are so many breeds of cats, each with their unique traits. Siamese cats, for instance, are known for their striking blue eyes and their vocal nature. Maine Coons, on the other hand, are large and fluffy, known for their friendly and sociable personality. Then there are British Shorthairs, with their dense plush coat and round, expressive eyes. But regardless of the breed, all cats have the potential to be a loving companion. They can provide comfort and companionship, and they have a way of making a house feel more like a home. Their presence can fill the space with warmth and love. Cats, with their soft fur and playful nature, truly make a home feel cozy and loved. So, if you're looking for a companion who is soft, playful, and independent, a cat might just be the perfect choice for you. Next on my list are dogs, man's best friend. A dog isn't just a pet, it's a member of the family, a companion, a protector, and a friend who loves you unconditionally. Dogs are special for a myriad of reasons, but let's explore the most prominent ones. Firstly, their loyalty is incomparable. A dog will stand by your side through thick and thin, always ready to offer comfort or protection. Whether you're feeling down or you've had a long day, a dog will always be there, wagging its tail, ready to cheer you up. This loyalty is not just emotional, but physical too. Dogs are known to protect their humans from harm, often putting themselves in danger to keep their beloved owners safe. Secondly, dogs bring a sense of companionship that's hard to find elsewhere. Their playful nature and endless energy make them perfect partners for outdoor activities. A game of fetch in the park, a walk by the beach, or a hike in the mountains. A dog is always up for an adventure. This companionship extends to the home as well, with dogs often providing comfort and warmth on a quiet evening in. Now let's talk about some popular dog breeds and their characteristics. Labrador Retrievers are known for their friendly and outgoing nature. They make excellent family pets and are also often used as service dogs due to their trainability. German Shepherds are intelligent and courageous, often employed in police and military roles due to their protective instincts. Beagles, with their excellent sense of smell and tracking instinct, are often seen in airports working as detection dogs. And let's not forget the small but mighty Chihuahuas, known for their bold and lively personality, proving that size does not define courage or heart. In essence, dogs, in all their variety, bring joy, companionship, and a unique sense of loyalty to our lives. Every breed, every individual dog has something different to offer, making them truly special. Dogs, with their loyalty and protective nature, never fail to bring happiness to our lives. Last but not least, I adore birds. Birds, you see, are absolutely fascinating creatures. They're a burst of color in a gray world, a melodious note in the quiet of dawn, And there's something incredibly calming about watching them, isn't there? Just observing a bird. Its delicate movements, the flit of its wings, the tilt of its head, can be a serene, almost meditative experience. Let's talk about some common pet birds and their unique features. First, we have canaries. These little birds are known for their vibrant yellow feathers. But it's not just their color that's captivating, it's their song. Canaries have a beautiful melodic chirp that can fill a room with music. Next, there are parakeets, also known as budgies. These birds are small but mighty. They come in a variety of colors, from bright green to deep blue, and they're known for their playful personalities. Plus, with a bit of patience and training, parakeets can even learn to mimic human speech. And then there are cockatiels. These birds are larger than canaries and parakeets, and they have a distinctive crest of feathers on their heads. Cockatiels can be quite affectionate, and they're known for their whistles and chirps. Last, but certainly not least, are lovebirds. As their name suggests, these birds are known for forming strong bonds with their partners. They're small, they're colorful, and they're certainly full of personality. Each of these birds has its own unique charm, but what they all have in common is their ability to bring a touch of the wild into our homes. They remind us of the beauty of nature, of the world beyond our windows. And their songs, whether they're melodious chirps or playful squawks, can bring a sense of peace and tranquility to our daily routines. Birds, with their vibrant colors and soothing songs, add a touch of nature to our everyday lives. So, these are my favorite animals. Each of them brings joy in their own unique ways. It's been a delight sharing with you the reasons why these creatures hold a special place in my heart. Cats, with their soft fur and playful antics, never fail to put a smile on my face. They're like little bundles of joy that fill the room with happiness. Dogs, on the other hand, are the epitome of loyalty. Their protective nature and unwavering friendship are truly remarkable. And then we have birds, the colorful and melodious pets. They brighten up any day with their vibrant plumage and charming songs. Each of these animals contributes to a sense of warmth and companionship, making our lives richer and more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed learning about my favorite animals and why I love them. What's your favorite animal and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, my favorite animals at a 1 level. Mammal. Mammal, a type of animal that feeds milk to its young and usually has hair or fur. Example, my favorite mammal is the elephant. They are intelligent and have strong family bonds. Reptile. Reptile, a type of animal that is dry skin covered in scales and lays eggs on land. Example, I am fascinated by reptiles, especially geckos, because they can climb smooth surfaces. Aquatic. Aquatic, relating to water, living in or near water or taking place in water. Example, dolphins are my favorite aquatic animals because they are playful and smart. Bird. Bird, a type of animal with feathers and wings. Most birds can fly. Example, I love watching birds. Robins are my favorite because of their bright red chest. Insect. Insect, a small creature that has 6 legs and generally 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Example, butterflies are my preferred insects due to their colorful wings and graceful flight.
Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.